recently upgraded to the Blue Yeti. It just came in today. All I had was this little 240 Explorer. Works great on like phones, and for it to run the cooler, you need a bigger battery. Let's open this up. Oh my gosh. Don't mind my garage, it's trash. But definitely an upgrade. I'm still gonna use this though to charge my camera, phone and stuff up in the tent. It is massive. Hopefully it'll run my cooler overnight and I can just charge it with that. We just got back from camping and had to deal with a few items in the ice cooler getting wet and coming apart. Let's open this up. Well, let's take this outside and make sure it works actually. Let's see if I can figure out how to hook this up. Pulling about 150 watts from the solar panel. Excited to try this thing out.